Today we will discuss about the development, various notions of development and the categorization of countries according to the World Bank report and UNDP report about the country's developmental status. So, whenever we will just discuss the development, we will see that overall development of the country. Development that is whenever the country's development we will just talk about, then country's development or the area's development may not be the cause of the development of the people of that particular area, because whenever we are giving them the rehabilitation or we are displacing them, then it can cause profit and loss. So, whenever we will talk about that development of the country or that particular area, it may not be the development of that particular, the people of that particular area. If we'll take the example of Narmada Dam, whenever Narmada Dam was set up, at that time large scale population was displaced and the rehabilitation was given by the government, but that rehabilitation may not be the cause of the development of the particular people, because rehabilitation may cause the profit and loss both, because the people may be of that area were convenient with the fishery or the transportation, water transportation, all these work. And wherever they got their rehabilitation, resettlement, at that place maybe all those facilities are not available, and all of them may not change their profession as they are not skilled of other work, or it will take lots of time to change their that is occupation, or just to adjust in the new area with the new job facility. So the development may not be, the development of that particular area may not be the cause of development of that particular area's people. Now, the development of the country mainly depends upon the different approach we are just accepting, and growth and development, little minute difference is there. Growth and development, growth consists of quantitative development and the development is the qualitative, means that is overall development of that particular area. Growth of that is a country, that is quantitative, like 3% economic growth. So we are mentioning the that is quantity, and qualitative, that is education, health, infant mortality rate, all will be included under this qualitative development, overall development. Another two approaches, materialistic development and non-materialistic development. Materialistic development, money in hand, supposed to be the major criteria. And then we will come to know that is with the help of money we can purchase house, car, all the necessary products. But the non-materialistic development, with the help of our materialistic development, but or we can say to have our materialistic development we require this non-materialistic development, that is freedom, equality, that social awareness, educational qualification, all these non-materialistic development.